Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk about a tool that I use a lot, and I'm kind of realizing lately that I do use it a lot, the humble kitchen shears. It's not going to replace anything, but you can use it for a lot of stuff. So I've got two pairs. So nice, I bought them twice. A cheapo pair I bought at the grocery store, I think it was like $8. It's got a sheath. It used to have some magnets on the back. I don't know why it grabs everything in the drawer. And a halfway decent pair. I think these are Wusthof. So the main difference, you can see on the surface they're fairly similar. The main difference is that the nice ones come apart, so you can clean them and sharpen them, which is actually very, very useful. Obviously the steel's a little bit better, the balance is a little bit better. There's so many things you can do with them. Chopping herbs, probably the number one thing, makes that very easy. Trimming artichokes if you're so inclined. You can also use them to bone poultry. Cutting up your pasta into kid-sized pieces. If you're like me, you got little kids. You can cut your pizza with them. Your shrimp shumai, your microwave breakfast burritos, you get the idea. They're not just good for cutting, also good for opening stuck bottles of olives if it's martini night, and a beer if it isn't. So like any kitchen tool, there are people who love them, people who hate them. I didn't used to use them a lot. Now I really like them. How about you? Is there something you use them for that I didn't get to? Please leave it down below in the comments. And hit the bell, subscribe, like, tell your friends. Thanks very much for joining me, guys. More useful information coming your way next time. Cheers.